From the 3rd to the 6th of May, IT developers from Europe and Africa joined forces for the first B3 Africa Technical Jamboree. We took time out to meet with some of them.
My name is Robert Weiss. I'm from Graz in Austria, working at the Medical University in Graz, and I have a bachelor degree in biomedical engineering in bioinformatics.
My name is Thoba. I am from the Eastern Cape region of Southern Africa in a small town called Craddock. I'm working on a BibBOX project where we are integrating different tools in order to make it much more simpler to deploy and having the different tools to talk to each other. And we are doing that by taking advantage of a technology called Docker, which makes it much more simpler to deploy such tools.
I'm also working in the area of BibBOX, trying to integrate different tools for biobanking into a unified system, using Docker and Dockerizing different tools to have it easy to deploy into the environment of a biobank. The name BibBOX means it's biobank in a box, so bringing together different tools for biobanking and setting them up and trying to integrate them into one unified system.
Docker is a technology that is much more similar to virtual machines, but it's much more less without the overhead of having to install an additional guest operating system on top of the existing environment.
I've learned from Thoba a lot about different managing tools for Docker containers. We have worked together on creating Docker files, and we have also worked together for the integration for different graph databases and how to write different queries in graph databases so that we can create our model based on a graph database for integration the different tools into one system.
Yes, I've learned a couple of things from Robert, mostly this very interesting graph database that I really didn't have a look at, called OrangeDB. It's a very interesting database because it has multiple options for users to store data types. Specifically, it encapsulates all the graph databases, document-oriented databases, and key value stores. So that was quite an interesting view of the project. I've also gained more experience into understanding medical science and how each entity within the databases interact with each other.
See you at the next Jamboree.